Hey guys, what's going on? It's a Blockbull right back now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now we have liftoff across the crypto landscape. We do have President Trump here, Executive Director of Digital Assets, saying they are ushering in a golden age for crypto. So this is the moment we have liftoff ever since we did get that consolidation after the US elections. Okay, so we are on like Donkey Kong right now. So you know what? Bravo. We have all suffered and endured all the pain. So everybody has become a stronger, more stoic individual thanks to the market. We especially with that slow bleed as well. If you guys are watching this because you're invested in Xcn, then you hodled the bag fiercely. You did not give up, yeah? So here we go now. So we've got VAR as well. I'm heavy in VRA because I do believe this is a fantastic opportunity, and I will be zooming out of some of these charts for you guys to just give you a clearer picture of where we are currently trading in terms of prices. Okay, again, these wedges, once we get that breakout, even though I've been trading outside of the wedge prior, because we've touched the detonation point, veracity is going to absolutely explode. Again, with the rest of the crypto, it's going to absolutely explode. So I do believe that is approximately sort of 74, 75x, even after the sort of up thrust after today's news. Let's have a look at Xcn as well. Xcn is up 16.25% on the day by the looks of it, and you can see here a clear breakout now. So we do need some sort of daily closes going in because we have had plenty of fake outs in the past, guys. So I ain't going to say the word over on X. I don't want to jinx it, but it looks as if we are going to start the ganga, baby. Do, do, do. Come on and join the ganga. Do, do, do. So here we are, guys. So it's looking, honest to God, we deserve this, guys. Honestly, if you can't have a little bit of fun when we begin to break out and pump, what are you going to do? Are you just going to be invested in crypto for the negative emotions? You might as well lap it up because you know what? This is bullish structure. It's always been bullish structure, but you know what? The markets have been frustrating because they haven't been breaking out sooner than anticipated. And like I said, we had all these fake outs, highly volatile coin down 80 to 85% from this wick up here, just shy of 5 cents. So we are heading in the right direction now, guys. So we'll look at targets in some other video, but for now, let's just enjoy the moment. And you know what? Let's just lap it all up because this is absolutely brilliant. Crypto is going bonkers. Let's have a look at Gala as well. Gala's sort of breaking up to the upside again. This is a multi-year chart. Now, if I just delete that TA, you can see quite clearly very similar to veracity in these wedges. And I love the wedge patterns because you know what? They're very clear targets. What just went on then? These are very clear targets. So when we do get to the apex, which I do believe this was, we are going to run up more than likely to all-time highs. And I know a lot of people will dispute that fact because they'll be making claims about the tokenomics. But trust me, guys, Gala have got the tokenomics under control, especially with, adding other crypto coins within their ecosystem. Okay, for example, like film token, they'll have music token. They'll have tokens for each sort of trifecta. So that'll be obviously gaming. You've got your music and then you've got your film. They are entertainment. They've got entertainment on lock. Yes, so Gala's going to do really well. Again, you can see here from sort of current price action. If I drag that up a tad, you can see here around 5,600% returns to return to the all-time high. So that is Gala. XRP as well. We're not quite out of the woods yet in terms of a charting pattern with XRP, although we have rebounded from this sort of 382 retracement level up to this sort of, we're targeting this 236 level here, this red line here. So we need to start getting above this sort of diamond top, in my opinion. So we're still not out of the woods yet, guys, but I'm going to enjoy it for what it is, okay, because we've had to deal with pain and suffering for the past 2-3 months, okay, depending on what sort of crypto you was in. Let's have a look at Velo. Velo, again, still inside structure yet, so we've not broken any structure with Velo. We'll be looking at getting up to this sort of red line, so that'll be the area of sort of supply and demand. So Velo has got a long way to recover to, start challenging a real breakout. So if we measure up here at 250%, to sort of get to that sort of breakout point. So you know what? Still not a bad return that for Velo. 254% to get up to that sort of resistance level. So that's great. Let's have a look at. We'll have a quick look at XLM as well. Obviously, strongly correlated with XRP. So this is printing a bull flag. Yeah. So it looks as if we're probably going to break out at some point. Yeah. But again, XLM still inside. This is why I haven't been too concerned with some of the crypto, because they're still maintaining a lot of this. So XLM, although it's probably one of the biggest gainers over here. In fact, it's not. I thought it would be neck and neck with XRP. I think it's taken a bit of a retracement, actually, since about an hour ago, since we did get the sort of volatile movements. But you can see here, in terms of percentage, you're looking about 17% to get to the top of that sort of bull flag. Then once we get to the top of the bull flag, then it's all go, 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 baby. So, yeah, it's looking very good for XLM. Like I say, strongly correlated with XRP. So that is a reassuring sort of factor for XRP, because we were looking at the diamond top and textbook style with a sort of target for a diamond top on XRP is that measurement from top to bottom of the diamond measured from the breakout point. That had us coming out around $1.12. Okay, could still be in play right now, but again, let's enjoy it for what it is. It's been a long time since we've had a smile on this channel because of the negative price action. I can probably speak for a lot of other people as well that cover any content in association with crypto, so it's looking really good. I can't help but look at Xcn. Look at that perfect wedge. This getting back up to that 5 cent there, that's going to be an absolute breeze, I'd imagine, yeah. 425% just to get to the top there. And then obviously you'd be looking at that 1618 targets. I was looking at sort of taking profits around 49 cents. But I hope just take this as a lesson recently, what's happened with the crypto, yeah. Anything can happen, guys. It's only a 90-day tariff, so you could expect after 90 days, you could expect the tariffs being reimposed, if you will. So there'll probably be another corrective wave. Well, there will be. It's inevitable. Say, for example, this has been sort of wave one, for instance, which has been covered on the channel, wave 1, wave 2. We're going into wave 3. So wave 3 is going to be absolutely huge, guys. Okay, so we're going to have to make sure we're taking profits on wave 3, especially when it comes to Xcn, the rest of the crypto markets, which is why it's important to make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Appreciate all my current subscribers. Make sure to like, share, comment, do what you got to do. And before I go, let's take a look at the others, just to get a better understanding of where we are in terms of crypto outside of the top 10. Yeah, so this is market cap excluding top 10. So again, we'll just draw that sort of bench line there. So this is a resistance. Again, altcoins haven't broke out yet. We are literally about 136% on average from getting our cryptos to break out. That is altcoin season, guys. So as soon as we start breaching sort of 492 billion market cap, then it is on like the Donkey Kong. We'll be obviously going to price discovery, and the markets will go absolutely bonkers. They will go absolutely ballistic, guys. So that's others. Let's have a look at Bitcoin as well to see if it's breaking out. Still not broke out with Bitcoin, but that's fine because we do need the Bitcoin dominance to fall in order to see altcoin season. That's typically what has happened historically. So we're still waiting for that. XDC only up about 6.55%. Not doing too bad, but we're green. Yeah, we're green. So you know what? Again, with XDC, I do believe we will be going into sort of higher sort of wave. So you've had your 1, you've had your 2. So this is the third wave. This is the most profitable wave. So again, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we're going to try and cash out at this point. I didn't want to cash out during wave 2, to be honest with you. I didn't think it would be as deep as it would be, or as extensive as it would be in terms of time. Yeah, I thought it'd be over within like 4 weeks. I didn't expect some of these cryptos have been consolidating. For example, like XRP for over about, I think it's been about 120 days. It's been a very long time of consolidation before we saw that, that retracement with the tariffs being talked about, guys. But ultimately, we will be taking profits on this third wave. So yeah, stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, do what you got to do. If you guys want to join me in the Discord with the rest of the guys, got the crypto AI metrics in there, so all the technical indicators, etc. I do promote exclusive content in there, so I'm going to be more regularly now. We're picking up in terms of price action, so I can give you guys some more sort of targets, and I'll keep you up to date when I'll be taking profits as well. I occasionally put it over on X, but you know what? I'm not as active on X as I used to be. Okay, it's mainly in the Discord now, guys. So yeah, I've been the Blobble. Until next time, the Blobble is over and out.